In with the mullet. Head shake. Head shake. He's going. You can go too far. Lots of little head shakes. Oh man. Going, going. Head shake. Oh wow. Oiled up. Nice redfish. Taking line. Drag here, back off a little. This redfish. Oh man, a nice one. I knew when he took it had to be a good one. Took in the middle of the mullet. Big redfish. Coming at me. Oh man. Look at that. Look at the colors of these fish. Oh my goodness.